Hi, my name is Amber Murphy, and I'm a senior exercise science student here at Franklin College. Two of my classmates and myself began conducting research just a few weeks ago to look at how yoga affects the balance of individuals with intellectual disabilities. The members who participated in our study had to be between the ages of 18 and 30, not currently participating in a balanced sport or activity, and have an intellectual disability. Everyone who signed up for our study came to Franklin College and went through a pre-test questionnaire followed by two balance tests, which were a static stork stand and the dynamic star balance test. The participants were then assigned to either a control or an intervention group. The control group was asked to not do anything different from their daily routines for the next 3 weeks. We only asked that they not participate in any sort of yoga or balance exercise activities. The intervention group met with us at Franklin College for 3 weeks and followed a 45-minute yoga DVD. In the next 2 weeks, we will have all of our participants come back to Franklin College and complete a post-testing. The post-test will be the same as the pre-test. We will be measuring to see if has been any significant change. We will be comparing the results of the static and the dynamic balance test from the pre and post interventions. These numbers will be compared with the control group numbers, and then from there we will be determining if the yoga did indeed improve their balance. We were asked some questions, and the first question was, why did we select this population? We selected this population because this group of individuals tends to have troubles with their balance and coordination, also along with their motor skills, and we were kind of hoping that this research can correlate with another study and be helpful to further improve their ability to improve individuals' intellectual disabilities' ability to improve their balance and like their overall motor skills. The second question that we were asked was, do you think there is a difference in the benefit from yoga when the subject performs the yoga with a practitioner in person, like a yoga class, versus if they did it at home by watching a video? I personally think that there is a difference from when a person does yoga at home versus when they do it with like a teacher or in a class. The participants in our study needed a lot of guidance and encouragement to keep them like on the right track and really focused, and to make sure that they were doing the moves correctly and doing like sometimes just doing the exercise at all. And so I believe that the individuals who may do like yoga DVDs at home may just kind of follow along. It might not be getting like the full experience and the full benefits that they might need. The third question was, if I work with individuals with disabilities, why is your study important to me? This is important because it leads to the understanding of both motor skills and how there are differing ranges of motor skills, and also an understanding of balance. It's also important because if we were able to improve their motor skills and be able to improve their balance, then we're going to hopefully be able to improve their overall quality of life. And our final question was, if you did this study again, what would you change and why? If we did this study again, I think I would change how often we did this interventions. I believe that doing yoga only once a week may not have been beneficial enough for this population or for any population. I think that if we would have been able to do the yoga maybe 3 times a week or for a longer duration, we might have seen a much different results than what we may have come out with at this point. I think that doing yoga only once a week may not have been as beneficial as it could have been. So I think that by making a longer study and a more frequent study would have caused a greater outcome or greater results. Thank you.